Open science is essential to making really big discoveries because today's big scientific questions are very complex and they require the participation of multiple people with multiple kinds of expertise, knowledge, and toolkits. And assembling that kind of collaboration is very, very difficult, if not impossible, if everyone is working in a silo behind a closed door. So given how my own career was made possible by open source tools, I wanted to make sure as I became a graduate student in the US that I could both collaborate back with my mentors in Colombia on equal terms, and also that I could sort of pay that forward by creating tools that would be open to a future version of myself, some other student in a country who needed similar access. I am one of the co-founders of Project Jupyter, which is an evolution of IPython, something that I started back in 2001 when I was in grad school. A group of scientists over the last 1 year or so developed Project Jupyter, which is an open and collaborative community that develops interactive computing tools, software, standards, and infrastructure for research, education, and industry. And then as Jupyter grew, I also co-founded 2i2c, an organization that tries to deploy Jupyter for real-world use cases in research and education. The funding support that the EOSS program has provided, which has gone to both concrete development activities and the actual human fabric of the open source communities, has been absolutely critical. So tools like IPython and Project Jupyter, and more importantly, the entire ecosystem of scientific Python tools that they give access to, have made possible a lot of what today is considered modern research. That research was all done with these open source tools developed over the last 2 decades by many scientists in collaboration, between being a freshman in college to being a Nobel Prize winning scientist. I hope we take the best lessons that we learned from building open and collaborative scientific ecosystems and inject those ideas and those values into a world where AI tools are going to be everywhere. We will all benefit from having equally open AI-based tools that assist the discovery process and move us forward.